The thing that we're going to learn today is how to add alternating colours into tables on Google Sheets. Here we have a table, the actors and actresses from the best film in the last 10 years, Short Term 12, but it's looking a bit plain. I can manually go through and change the colours to kind of make it seem a bit more interesting, but this is going to take a long time, and if I then make any changes to the table or play around with the order that I've got it in, the colours aren't going to kind of match up. So I'm going to undo what I've done here. Instead, what I can do is select the whole table, click Format, Alternating Colours, and I get a menu over here. Now the first thing I can do is I can add a footer, or I can get rid of the header if I don't want that to be a specific colour. And then I've got a whole bunch of default styles, so you can pick a range of colours, all the colours of the rainbow. Or I can make my own. So down here I can choose what header colour I want. Let's go for a nice purple. For the middle colour I'm going to go for whatever that is. And for the second colour I'm going to go for yellow. And there we are, and it saves it there as a custom style to be used at any other point in your Excel sheet. And you can see this is a really ugly table now. I might just click back to a nice prettier one there. And there we have it, alternating colours on Google Sheets with zero effort. You can now do the thing.